In this lesson, I will explain to you about linear equations in two variables and straight lines. Before going to start, I will give you the definition of a linear equations in two variables. See, the focus is on the word two variables. So you can have any two variables, x or y, a and b, c and d, s or t, whatever, right? But here in these questions or in these examples, I have considered x and y. So a linear equation in two variables, x and y, is an equation that can be expressed in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Now what is the meaning of this, right? Because I said that linear equation in two variables, x and y, here you can write down a and b, whatever variables, and usually it can be expressed in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b and c, these three are numbers, with a and b not both 0, because if suppose we will consider both 0, so again if we multiply any integer with 0 we will get 0. So any one can be 0 but not both 0. And these are the example: 3x minus 2y. See, 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. So this is the basic concept. See, x, this is the variable, and instead of a we have 3. Then here is positive, but we can have negative as well. So b, and this is 2, and y is the variable. Again, c is constant. Same thing for the second example. So see, this is 4x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 3x minus 2y, and we have solved these kind of questions earlier as well. So see, if we take the transpose, we will get this example in the form of ax plus by. See how? See, this is 4x and here is 1x, so we will take the transpose. It will come to the left hand side of the equation, the sign will change. 3y, this is 2y as well with the negative sign, it will be positive 2y, and on the right hand side we have a positive 5, and this positive 5, or when we will, it will go there, it will be, or we will make it, just make it 6, then it will be easy to understand. At least we can have something on the right hand side. So it will be x plus 5y is equal to minus 1. Right, again they see, this is minus 1, b and a, these are numbers. So same thing, if we take the transpose of this, we can express our this example in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Now here we are going to solve this question. The question is 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, and it says that requirement is find the pairs of numbers that satisfy the equation. Pairs of numbers, it means we have to find out the value of x, we have to find out the value of y. So how we will start? Okay, we will start, I will write down the question here again. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. First we will consider, suppose y is equal to 0, then we can solve for x. So see, 2x plus 3, and instead of this y we will, this is considered 0 is equal to 6. So 0 multiplied by 3 will 0, 2x is equal to 6. We want only the value of x, we have to divide by 2, so x is equal to 3. So one solution pair, I will write down the solution pair here for this. If we consider y is equal to 0, always you have to write down the value of x first. So it will be 3 and 0, because we have considered y as a 0. This is called the solution of this equation. Right, now one more time, if I consider x is equal to 0, same thing, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, I say x is equal to 0. So put the value of x here, it will be 2 into 0 plus 3y. In this way we will solve for y. So 3y is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2. It will cancel each other. right? So for the second solution of this equation is, first you have to write down 0 because this is x, and second one, always you have to consider the second one as a y, so y is 2. Now again one more time, any value, you can take any arbitrary value. Suppose if I say -2, put in the same, this is the question, and here I am going to put y is equal to, suppose, -2. So see, then we can solve for x. 2x plus 3 into -2 is equal to 6. So it will be 2x -6, which is equal to 6. 2x is equal to, we will take the transpose of this 6, it will be 6 plus 6, which is equal to 12. 2x is equal to 12, so x is equal to 6. So see, the third solution of this equation is 6. First you have to write down the value of x, and then y is -2. One more time, any arbitrary value. Suppose now we say, okay, make it -9. If I say in the same equation we put x is equal to -9, then you can solve the value, find out the value of y. So see, 2 into -9 plus 3y is equal to 6. So 9 2 times -18 plus 3y is equal to 6, or 3y is equal to 6. Take the transpose of this 18, it will be 24. So this and this, so y is equal to 8. 3 1 time, 3 8 time. So when we put x is equal to -9, the value of y is 8. So these are called the solution of equation. These are called the solution set or solution pair of this equation. So you can have as many as you want, infinity solutions of this equation, right? But another solution, okay, now see, substitution of some values of x and y will lead to non-integers. See, these are the integers. Integers are plus, minus 1, positive, -2, positive, -3, and so on. But substitutions of some values of x and y will lead to non-integer solutions for y or x as well. If I put x is equal to 1, okay, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. I will write down here 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now here, suppose if I say x is equal to 1, so see, we can find out the value of y. 2, instead of x we will write down 1 plus 3y, which is equal to 6. So 2 plus 3y is equal to 6. We will take the transpose of 2, it will be -2. 3y is equal to 4. We have to find out the value of y, which is equal to 4 over 3, which is non-integer. So solution, also the solution of this equation is 1 and 4 over 3. Right, so we have discussed in this lesson linear equations in two variables, which is expressed in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, while a and b and c are numbers with a and b not both 0. If still you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.